In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see and check an address of a place in Google Maps. This is super useful to be able to go and get the actual address of the place you want to go. So first we're going to open Google Maps and we're going to start with a business or whatever it may be that you already mark on Google Maps. For example, here I have this place and I'm going to click, and then if I scroll down like this, I can go to the overview and it will show me the actual address of the place. Now, if you're trying to go and get an address of somewhere which hasn't got a business or like a mark in Google Maps, what you can do is to place your own pin. So you want to find the place you want the address for, and then go click on the screen to drop a pin. And as you can see, it gives you the address. And that's it. If the video was helpful, please consider subscribing and leave a like on the video, and I will see you on the next one.